So here we have the mini hatchback on a 68 plate. I'm going to start off by hopping inside the car and running through some controls first of all. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. Over on the left hand side we have the rev counter, we have the speedometer in the middle and the fuel gauge on the right hand side. Also in the middle there you can see the digital readout for the speedometer. You can change information displayed in that section. So you can see the total miles, for example, they are 21,579. Then we have various bits of fuel economy and trip computer information available as well. If we back out to the steering wheel, over on the left-hand side, we have cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right-hand side, stereo and phone controls. Over in the center is where you'll find the main screen for this car. So this is where you can pair your phone just there, amongst other things, and access your music settings. To do so, you need to use this dial just here and the collection of buttons that surround it, but virtually everything can be done from the dial. So for example, rotate it to communication, push it down, you'll then be in that menu, and from there you can manage your mobile devices and pair your phone accordingly. We can go back to the main menu and access our music settings under radio and media, and you can see we've got DAB and FM radio, Bluetooth audio so you can stream your music wirelessly once you've paired your phone, and we have USB input as well. Working our way down, you'll see the main volume for the stereo. We then have dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. And when you're happy with those settings, this button will turn your air conditioning on. It's on when that light shows, of course. Same button will turn it off again. Or hit auto. The car will now take control of the fan speed and the direction of the air to maintain the temperatures that you've asked for. Press auto again and you go back to whatever setting you had it on previously. Beneath that, we can turn our traction control on and off. We can start and stop the engine from here. And this button turns off the stop and start. So this car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is turned off when that light shows. We then have a 12-volt charging socket, USB input, and a 6-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see this ULEZ compliant car for yourself and have a test drive, please feel free to call either of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.